So what do we do in the winter as a pressure washing business? This is a question I get asked all the time, so I'll tell you. We do absolutely nothing. I'm kidding. Although we're not really doing any washing in the off season, we're still working on the business, focusing on more back end stuff that we can't do during our peak season, like rebuilding our truck, working on marketing and systems, and just overall getting ready for the next season. Our equipment takes a toll, so it needs to be repaired and adjusted every season, so the winter is a great time to do that. Not only do we continue working on bettering the business, but we also take some time for ourselves to chill, travel, and reset our mind because everyone needs a break here and there. You do not want to burn out.